morning. So I am Engineer Brian Sumingego, Supervising Engineer A of JRMP2 NIA Region 6. So last Sunday, we conducted the product demo ng RT20 dito sa area ng Kingsway. So may procedure, ginawa namin yon at saka so after nung final procedure, so doon makikita na pwede na agad madaanan yung area, yung daan, so nagiging stabilized na talaga yung road at saka umulan nung pagkagabi at makita naman natin na although umulan siya, hindi naman gaano siguro yung epekto ng ulan doon sa ginawa natin na product ng RT20 na pinamitan ng RT20. So kita natin na stabilize yung road talaga natin. So masusubukan pa natin to kung gaano siya magtagal ba yung
sige sir,
natin yung roadway, yung service road ng NIA. So hopefully this product is really effective. Someday this will be useful sa mga service road ng NIA.
sige sir, okay. Thank you sir.